If a girl says this, she's been missing you. Hey there, it's Anna. Have you ever wondered if someone's been missing you, but weren't quite sure how to tell? Well, in today's video, we're going to uncover the things that girls say that certainly reveal she's been missing you now. It's often not direct, instead, it's hidden in her choice of words. The topics she brings up are how she reminisces about past times spent together, but by the end of this video, you will be able to pick up on these telltale phrases and understand the deeper meaning behind them. Stay with us until the very end for an invaluable bonus tip that will elevate your understanding of these signs. This tip is crucial for enhancing your interactions, and you will find it especially useful after learning all of these points, so make sure not to miss it. I've been wanting to tell you first up. Let's examine a phrase that's more than just small talk. It often starts off a conversation and carries it with an undertone of significance. This is about delving into those words she has been eager to share, revealing a deeper sentiment that might suggest you've been on her mind. When she starts a conversation with, "I've been wanting to tell you something," it's a sign that you've been on her mind. This phrase suggests that she's been holding on to thoughts or experiences specifically to share with you. It indicates that during her day-to-day life, when something interesting or significant happened, she thought of you. Now, this is a way of expressing that your presence and opinion are important to her. It also shows that she values your connection and enough to save certain stories or experiences to tell you directly, implying a level of intimacy, and that she's been missing your interactions. Her saying, "I've been wanting to tell you," is significant because it reveals a level of emotional attachment. It suggests you occupy her thoughts, even when you are not together, which is a strong indicator of missing someone. Recognizing this can reveal her emotional investment and the special place that you hold in her life. I've been learning more about your interest. For our second indicator, consider the moment she shares her newfound knowledge or interest in a topic that you love. This isn't just about picking up a new hobby, it's about connecting with you. Let's unravel the meaning behind her efforts to delve into your world and what it signifies about her feelings when she starts a conversation by saying she's been learning about something that you are passionate about. It's not just making small talk, it shows that she's making an effort to understand and engage with your world. This behavior suggests that she wants to feel closer to you by exploring things that you love. It's an indication that she thinks about you, even when you're not together, and just trying to find ways to connect with you. On a deeper level, such effort to learn about your passions can be a sign of her wanting to share more meaningful experiences with you, reflecting her desire for a closer bond. Her showing interest in your hobbies or passions is significant because it demonstrates she values what matters to you. It's a sign of emotional investment and a desire to connect on a level that's more personal and intimate. This effort indicates that she's not only thinking about you, but also wants to be a part of your world, a clear sign of missing and valuing your presence in her life. I was just talking about you. Another subtle yet revealing cue comes when she's casually bringing up that you've been a topic of her conversations with others. This might seem like a passing remark, but it's often laden with deeper implications. So let's delve into what this sharing means about her feelings and how it reflects her missing you whenever she says that. She has been talking about you with friends or family. It's a subtle clue into her thoughts and feelings. This indicates you've been on her mind enough to bring up in conversations with others. It's a way of keeping you in her world, even when you are not around discussing you with others, shows that she finds you noteworthy, and your interactions memorable enough to share this sharing often reflects a blend of affection and longing, hinting that she values your relationship and misses your company. Her mentioning that she talked about you is significant because it suggests that you are a part of her thoughts in different settings. It signifies that your presence impacts her life to the extent that she feels compelled to share stories or thoughts about you with others, and this behavior can be a clear indication of her missing you and wanting to keep a connection with you even in your absence. Asking about specific personal things, how is a specific personal thing going? It's insightful when she inquires about specific personal aspects of your life. Now, this isn't just routine curiosity, it's a sign of deeper interest. Let's examine why her remembering and asking about the particulars of your life can be a hint that she's been thinking about you when she asks about something very specific to your life, especially if it's a detail you mentioned in passing or some time ago. It shows she's not only listening, but retaining this information. This could be about a project you're working on, a family member you spoke about, or even a small hobby that you are passionate about. Her remembering these details and bringing them up indicates that she pays close attention to what you say and holds on to it. It's a sign she values your conversations and thinks about you and your life. Even when you are not around her, asking about specific personal things is significant because it shows a level of care and attention that goes beyond casual interaction. It suggests that she's mentally cataloging aspects of your life, a behavior often associated with someone who misses you and cherishes your connection. It's an indication of her ongoing interest and emotional engagement with you. Pause for a second. Are you finding these insights helpful? If so, please show some love by liking the video or leaving a little comment to let me know. Every interaction helps greatly, and I really appreciate it. I found something you will love. I found something that you will love. Now, let's explore a significant yet often overlooked clue when she mentions finding something she believes will interest you. It's more than just a friendly gesture. Let's delve into how this indicates not just an understanding of your tastes, but also her longing for your presence. When she says, I found something you love, it shows she's been thinking about you and what you like now. This could be a book, a song, a place, or even a meme that she believes aligns with your interests. It's a thoughtful act that demonstrates she knows you well and keeps you in mind even when you are not together. This attention to detail and picking out something you would enjoy is a subtle yet poignant way of expressing that she understands you. It often reflects a deeper emotional connection and can be an indication that she misses sharing these experiences with you. Now, this behavior is significant because it's an active way of showing that she's attuned to your preferences and interests. It suggests that she spends time thinking about what makes you happy and wants to contribute to your joy. Her initiative to find and share things specifically for you is a tender way of keeping the conversation and connection alive and can be a heartfelt sign of missing your company. I've been meaning to ask for your advice. This is not just seeking guidance. It reflects something more. So let's uncover why her seeking your advice might be a sign of her missing the connection you share now. When she reaches out specifically to ask for your advice, it's an indication that she values your opinions and perspectives. This gesture shows that she trusts your judgment and sees you as someone who can offer meaningful insights. It's a way of involving you in her decisions or challenges, suggesting that she not only respects your input, but also misses the rapport that you have seeking advice. Can be her way of reestablishing the connection, showing that your thoughts and contributions are important to her and that she misses having those interactions with you. Now, this action is significant because it demonstrates her regard for your perspective and her desire to maintain a connection with you by specifically seeking your advice. She's showing that you play an important role in her life, and this behavior often indicates that she misses the dynamic of exchanging ideas and values, the bond you share. Do you remember when our final point takes us down memory lane when she starts a conversation with, do you remember when we ... It's more than just nostalgia. Let's explore the significance of her reminiscing about shared past experiences and what it reveals about her feelings towards you. Reminiscing about past shared experiences, especially in a fond and detailed manner, suggests that she cherishes those moments and has been reflecting on them. This could be about a specific event or joke that you both shared or a memorable day out by bringing up these memories. She's not only reliving those times, but also subtly expressing that she misses those moments with you. It's a way of reconnecting over happy memories, indicating that those times meant a lot to her and that your presence in them was significant now. This shared history can be a way of rekindling the closeness you once enjoyed. Her recalling shared memories is significant as it indicates that you are a part of her treasured moments. It shows she's been thinking about you and the time that you've spent together, often a sign of longing and missing your company. This kind of nostalgia can be a tender way of expressing her desire to create more such memories with you. Bonus tip: be bonus tip attentive and reciprocate interest. Consider the importance of your own attentiveness and how you reciprocate interest. Your response can greatly influence the depth and direction of your connection. Let's discuss how to effectively engage with her signals. Being attentive means not just listening, but also showing that you value her words and feelings. When she shares memories or seeks your advice, engage with genuine interest. Ask follow-up questions, share your thoughts, and express appreciation for her efforts to connect. Reciprocating interest doesn't mean mirroring her actions, but responding in a way that acknowledges her sentiments and shows that you care, whether it's remembering details she shared or initiating your own thoughtful conversations. These actions demonstrate that you value her presence in your life. Attentiveness and reciprocity, in this context, can strengthen the bond and affirm her feelings. Attentiveness and reciprocating interests are valuable because they foster a deeper mutual connection. It shows that you're not only a passive recipient of her affection, but an active participant in nurturing the relationship. This approach builds trust, validates her feelings, and can lead to a more meaningful and emotionally fulfilling relationship. So now that you know what girls say when they've missed you, what's next? Maybe you are curious about the types of men that women find attractive or interested in, the things that prove she's secretly obsessed with. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.